Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. I just wanted to take a second here to show you this. This is my view. You can see here I've got the garden going pretty good. We finished tilling it. A couple of plants already planted. Gonna get the rest of them in today. But check it out. Here, spring has arrived. The leaves are all budding out. Of course, you can see across the mountain. But as you climb towards the top over there, the leaves haven't even started budding yet. It's amazing how late spring comes to Farpoint Farms and how short a growing season we have. This video isn't really about anything. It's just wanting to share what I live every day with you. I know a lot of you out there think about doing what I'm doing, think about getting away from the city or getting away from town, moving out to the countryside and starting a farm. And I've tried to give a lot of positive words over the years to that effect, to show you that it can be done on a budget. It can be done even if you're poor like me. But I think moments like this that I now take for granted after 6 years up here are moments that I want to share with you, because this is a thing of beauty. This is something to cherish, and you could be doing this. You just need to find that inner faith, and make that change. So if you're miserable in your job, if you're miserable where you're living, and you're always coming up with, if only I could, if I just got past this, if I just had a moment to get around this, or if I could just pay off that, I would be there. Those moments are very unlikely to ever come. So stop waiting and be the man or woman you want to be. Come out here and join this. Come out here and live your dream. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.